Hi YouTube, Roy Marko with Marko Custom Models coming today with a kit review of the Piranha Super Spy car, and I just wanted to unbox this and show you what my plans were with this, so let's get into it. This model kit, by the way, was brought to you by Brian. He is a fan of my channel, and he had purchased me this kit. We were at the hobby shop one day and he said, let me buy you a kit. So I picked out something that I wanted to buy myself but kind of been hesitant, so he got me this kit and I'm not disappointed. So let me share this with you and let's get into it. So first off, there's a nice set of tires here. They're printed there with Goodyear on it and all pad printed with a blue line on it. Those are just beautiful, so that's nice. Let me just get into the book here. I want to show you something. So this is a full color book on this car, a little bit of history on it. They manufactured this car for real, like as a kit car, and I think it had Corvair, maybe it had Corvair engine in it. Anyway, but what I want to build is this race car here. And so I'm going to modify it to look like that. What's nice about it, the decal sheet that it comes with all of the decals on that you see on this race car to be able to build it. So I'll be chopping the roof off and doing that custom windshield and the roll bar, and this is what I want to build. Okay, so then that's the book. Also, the instructions. And let's get into the decals here. Let me cut this open. So there's the decal sheet, and as you can see, it has all the AMT logos and all of the script that goes on the fenders to make that race car. So I'm going to be making that race car using those decals. This is the body. This is molded in sort of the color that emulates what's on the box. It's sort of a blue, which is good because the race car is this color as well. So it will be painted, but that's okay that it's modeled in this color. So it has sort of two halves. You have to put all your chassis stuff in, and then this is your interior tub and body. So it's hard to body work this car. I'm going to try to maybe change how that happens, and when I do that I'll show that to you. But nicely molded, a little bit of flashing but nothing bad, a little bit of a couple of sinks to fix and things like that, but other than that, it's a great looking body here. Okay, now the chrome. So you get on this model you only got one choice for the wheels, and that's the ones you see on the box art. And you got some engine pieces here for that 6-cylinder, some carburetors, oil pan, valve covers, some suspension pieces. Even some of the suspension is chrome here, disc brakes, cooling fan, things like that, and some springs. So that's the tree, and then the back side if you just want to see anything that's happening on the other side of that tree. Okay. And not a whole lot of parts, that's it, just this bag. So let me open that up. So on this tree here we have the hood, and it looks like, oh, this is because it's a spy car, they give you some guns and things like that on a shelf here that must be in the interior. You have the steering wheel, a couple of wheel spacers on the back here. Here's the roof section here, and looks like door pieces here on the side. Now it looks like it actually comes with panels to make it the race car. Those are inner door panels, that's what that is. Those must be inner door panels. Okay, and this must be for the front suspension area there as well. Very cool. And then these are the doors. So to build the race car, I'll be chopping these. They won't be galwing anymore, but that'll be the doors, door skins. A nice molding, just a neat looking car. And then here's the engine halves, some more suspension pieces, rear axles, some steering, looks like, yeah, steering pieces, more engine pieces, fan belts, distributor. There's the tree, and then of course the back side if you want to see if there's anything on the other side there. Yeah, also there's some glass here too. You got your rear tail light assemblies, and it comes with 2 sets of glass. So you got tinted smoke windows and clear windows, so that's kind of nice. If you want to mix and match or make it all tinted or whatever, you can use the different kinds of glass for that, so that's good. A piece that fell out here I noticed is the dashboard here, so a lot of detail here on the dash. It's kind of nice. That'll pick out quite nicely. Again, see, it has a lot of like detail for the spy, like different sort of instruments and things like that. So I got some pictures off the internet on the race car, so I'll have to make some changes and things like that. But yeah, that's it. So anyway, as always, if you like, subscribe, and if you want notifications, ring that bell, and have a great day.